Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use MyCase for law firm management easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and type in the MyCase website URL. Log in using your credentials to access your firm's dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side, you will see the main navigation menu. Select the client's option to manage your client information. To add a new client, click on the Add Client button. Fill in the required fields, including the client's name and contact information. After entering the details, click Save to store the client information. Next, navigate to the Cases section from the main menu. Here, you can create a new case by clicking on the Add Case button. Input the case name, type, and related client information. Once all fields are filled, click Save to create the case. To manage documents, go to the Documents tab. Click on Upload Document to add files relevant to the case. Select the document from your device and click Open, then Upload. For billing and invoices, navigate to the Billing section. You can create an invoice by selecting the New Invoice button. Fill in the necessary billing details and click Save. To schedule appointments, head over to the Calendar feature. Click on a date and then select Add Event. Fill out the event details, including time and description. Once you've completed the information, click Save. To communicate with clients, open the Messages tab. Start a new conversation by clicking on the New Message button. Select the recipient and type your message in the text box. After reviewing, click Send to deliver your message. Utilize the Reports section to monitor your firm's performance. From here, you can generate various reports to analyze case statuses and billing. Explore settings under your profile to customize your account. Adjust notifications, preferences, and user permissions as needed. That wraps up our guide on how to use MyCase for law firm management. Now you can efficiently manage your law firm using these steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.